Hi everybody, welcome to Daddy's Toy Kingdom. Check out the latest addition to our collection. It's the high-octane car with a punch. It's the 1974 Mazda RX-3 die-cast car from Jada Toys. This is the One Punch Man edition. It has opening doors, a trunk that opens, a hood that opens, and it comes with this awesome Saitama figurine. Let's open this up and take a look at all the awesome features. And here's the 1974 Mazda RX-3 out of the box with Saitama. It's die-cast metal, it has a lot of weight to it, it has rubber wheels, it can roll really well. The doors. A lot of detail inside the car. See what's under the hood. There's the engine. Great detailing on the side. And finally, the trunk. And here's the detail on Saitama. Wow, if you're a collector or a fan of One Punch Man, you are going to love this set. The Mazda RX-3 is awesome, Saitama is awesome, One Punch Man is awesome, all together, pretty awesome. If you had fun taking a look at this cool set from Jada Toys, make sure to click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody!